Good morning, seawolves. My name is Sophia Plattner.
And I'm the expert.
Today's topic is food. Faye, what are your food preferences?
My favorite foods are mac and cheese and penne alla vodka.
Ooh, those are good choices. Why are those your preferences?
Well, mac and cheese is very cheesy, and me personally, I love cheese, and that goes the same for penne alla vodka.
That's super cool. But now let's move on to our SAT word. The SAT word of the day is
Delectable.
And delectable means delicious, like tacos.
That's good to know. So next time I go to a restaurant, I can say that their food is delectable.
Good thing we learned that word, and I'll use the SAT word in this sentence. Raspberries are delectable. Did you know that raspberries are a member of the rose family?
I actually did not know that. It's good to know because I always say food is delectable.
Let's get into the holiday spirit and lift up our school by donating $1 every Friday when you walk into the school building. How about we get back on track and talk about the chocolate pretzels you could buy at lunch? Will you be buying those chocolate pretzels for the fundraiser?
I would love to, but I would have to ask my parents, and I would hope they say yes because I love chocolate pretzels, so I would love if they would agree on me buying them.
I will definitely be buying those pretzels. They look delectable.
That is definitely true. Is chocolate pretzels your favorite snack?
No, my favorite snack is actually fruit.
Now that we're talking about fruit, I'll just say I love cuties.
Cuties are so good, but I loved watermelon since I was little. I've never changed it and I never will.
I also love watermelon. It's so good.
I have a great suggestion for school lunch. How about they put watermelon in the school lunches?
That is a good idea, but I would only want them to do that near the summertime when it's good, not in the winter where it's not right.
How do you feel about the lunch periods in school?
I like how our lunch is fifth period because it's in the middle of the day, and lunch in general is usually at 12 p.m., and at school lunch starts at 11:30 a.m., so it's pretty close with what time we have it. But I do think that our lunchtime period should be extended because even though our lunch period is 40 minutes long, 20 minutes for lunch and 20 minutes for outside, I feel like I don't have enough time to talk with my friends.
Now we're going to go on to our middle school lunch menu. Do you like the lunch they provide us? It's chicken pot pie with buttermilk biscuit, fish sticks with dipping sauce, herb roasted potatoes, salad bar, rainbow bar.
I think it's a healthy and filling hot lunch, but I don't like most of those things on the list, so I think they should have more options that are easy, meaning common foods people like.
Since we've been talking about food so much, I'm getting hungry. Let's go eat some delectable food. I hope you like this talk. I'm Sophia Plattner.
And I'm the expert.
Until next time.